So it is 7:30, Sunday the 5th of July, and we have the first two attendees and we're setting up for breakfast. There we go. Excellent. Look at this. Look at this. It's 10 to 9 and it's really starting to kick off now. So let's have a look at some of these cars. Not as many Morgans as last year, but they're all well presented. Some nice MGs. Number 44 is missing, hopefully he'll turn up soon. Apparently 44 has car trouble, so... Oh, this could be the last missing Merc. So the classic Merc has turned up. And here's a small Porsche contingent. And here we've got some very nice Rovers. Look at the Rovers. Right, what have we got next? We've got the really old classics now. So there's John Simmons turned up in his Rolls Royce, and now we've got some Austin Healey's, and what's this, a Lotus I think, followed by a good old Ford Cortina. Oh, another Lotus coming in. I'll grab him in a second. Triumph Stag, can't beat it. Ford Consul. Now we got the Spitfire, Datsun, ooh, Daimler and its cousin, the Datsun, and another Lotus. What we got here? So we got the Alfa Romeo, we've got a clutch of Audis, a Bentley, BMW missing 24, sound like a dentist, Corvette. What we got here? Dentist. So Hillman, and now we've got...
You know what they are.
So there we go, couple of E-types, beautiful. There's the Cobra then to finish. You see, they like to arrive in style. The Roadster next door to the Roller. So it's very lively. Even the helpers are getting there.
Well,
ooh,
yeah,
bacon rolls. Yeah, we'll have one of those then. So everybody's having their bacon rolls. Yeah. So here we have, look at this, sizzling away. And here's the Master Chef. How's it gone so far?
It's gone very well. With the help of Jerry, we have served up an absolute storm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, look, there's somebody hiding in the rushes. Okay, we're setting off. We're almost halfway through the field. We're down to the E-types. And look at this. Have you got a nice little picnic in that basket?
Oh, I did this. You can see what's in there.
Oh, alcohol, is it? Nice Porsche. The monument coming down into Hillesley now. So there we are, back home. Here comes another one. Listen to all that music playing as the cars arrive back. So it's 2 o'clock. Most of them are getting back. There's a few who've gone walkabout, but what the hell? Let's go and get a steak and a salmon parcel. The Pims and the drinks are going well. It's absolutely jam-packed. Look at this weather. This is all looking very good. Did you have a nice time? Good. Look at all these Union Jacks. Everyone's having a great time. Well done, Kieran. Yeah.
But there's a couple of other people with whom this wouldn't have worked. So Rob is videoing this, so he is social media. He's probably been at you on WhatsApp. He's taken your food orders.
Yeah.
So Robert, everyone.
Thank you. I didn't get your clap.
Derek Aston is hiding under the tree.
Where is he?
So Derek has put a huge amount of effort in getting all the gear out here and supporting everything that we do in the club, and is my predecessor as the outgoing president, because as of tomorrow I take over the club. So thank you, Derek.
Yeah, thank you, Derek.
And then of course I know none of you will have food poisoning because we have an amazing chef. Colin, thank you very much.
Where is he? Oh, there he is.
Thank you.
Good man.
And there are any amount of other volunteers who have helped.
Look at all these
without
people
a
here.
Huge band, this just can't happen. So
All these
please
people.
put your hands together for them as well.
Yeah.
Importantly, all the funds that we raised today is for Big Space. I'm sure you're all aware of what that is. The new developments going on at Cheltenham Oncology affects us all, affects our lives. I lost my father 6 weeks ago because of cancer. So, you know, it affects us all. And Gillian, wherever Gillian is sat down, Gillian, please stand up. That lady kicked this all off 2 years ago. And I'll probably announce tomorrow that with today's efforts, we're not a million miles away from £220,000.
Yeah.
So thank you, Julian, for kicking it all off, and Derek, good to see you.